Another video of the neighbor's Trane XB10 central air conditioners. I just wanted to get a video of the flue pipe while it's still running. Here's the gas meter. And you can actually hear the gas flowing in there. And these are from 2004, November 2004. Climate tough reciprocating compressors, GE fan motors, R22 refrigerant. At least I think it has R22. Yep. There's the kilowatt meter. It's nice and warm. Feels pretty good because it's quite chilly out here. And again, this one's a 5-ton, that one's a 3-ton. There's the Trane logos. Spines and coils, obviously. And I do have videos of these units running in the summertime. These got awesome compressor sounds to them. But they're quite noisy. Okay, over and out.